So, first things first, you're gonna need to look like Candice Swanepoel, or be her. Change your DNA and then come back to this tutorial because, girl, we need some help up in here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be following Candice Swanepoel's 10-minute guide to fake natural makeup and faux freckles Vogue tutorial. Like I said, to look like her after you put this makeup on, you have to look like her naturally. So I'm gonna follow her makeup tutorial and her hair tutorial thing. She does like a hair hack type of thing, I guess, for lazy people. Me. It looked better when I first took it out. You'll see in the video. I probably should have put hairspray in it, but she didn't, so I didn't. But I would definitely recommend it if you want it to last. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. And let's just like get right into it. Okay, so the first thing she does is her hair. She just blow dries it, even though it's dry, and puts it in like 2 space buns so that it'll come out wavy, I'm guessing. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair for a little, probably like a minute, just to like get it hot so it'll stay in the waves, you know what I mean? That's what my hair is gonna look like for this video. Sorry. She does face oil. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use a moisturizer. I have mascara on because I was too lazy to take it off. Oops, sorry. So she put on like a tinted moisturizer. Why is my chest so red? I itched it. Okay. But I don't have a tinted moisturizer, so I'm just gonna use my It Cosmetics CC cream. How bad my face is breaking out everywhere. Well, mostly just here. So I ordered Curology, like by myself, and I'm gonna try it. And if you guys want, maybe I'll do like a little review of it on here, because it would be completely honest, because I bought it with my own money. Well, I got the free trial. We all know I ain't gonna spend money on that. And then I'm just gonna take a beauty blender from Real Techniques and just pat that in. Okay, so that's where she put her concealer. She didn't put it on her chin, but I am, because, again, breaking out. And then she just bounced it in with a beauty blender. And then she's just taking some powder. She's using the MAC Prep and Prime, but guess we use in drugstore. So Maybelline Fit Me to set everything. She's using a cream blush and she's putting it on with her finger. So she's just like tapping it in. She puts the blush on her lid also.
The blush on the nose kind of gives a fake sun-kissed look, because that's what...
Okay, we're also putting it on the nose. She's putting more concealer on, but like I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna also set this cream blush, because my face don't roll that way. Eyelash curler. I already have a mascara on, so.
Feel like you're torturing yourself.
I already have mascara on. I'm just gonna recurl. Okay, so next she does eyebrows. She uses the Burberry eyebrow pencil. Excuse me. But I have Anastasia. Can't afford Burberry makeup, sorry. Anyway, I'm just gonna fill them in. That's all she did, really. She used 2 different... Okay, hello. She used 2 different things. I'm just using one. She's using like a mauve-y color, kind of like this, and she's just blending that into her eye. She's also putting it underneath her eye.
This is.
And then she's putting on some chapstick. I don't look like Candice yet. What the heck? This is a scam. I'm just gonna take my Anastasia and take this one because I'm out of fawn. I wish I still had it. And then contour a little. She puts it down her nose as well. She's using Hoola bronzer, but I'm gonna take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil because I ran out of Hoola a while ago. And she puts it on her cheeks, kinda like contour, and then she puts a lot on her forehead, but I don't really have a big forehead. Neither does she, but like I have like a 3 head, so we're just gonna pull a little bit on the forehead, not a lot. And then she's taking Benetint and putting it on her lips. I'm scared. She really like blended it in though, so it's like barely there, but I'm still scared. She's taking kind of like a champagne-y white one, so I'm gonna be taking Lunch Money from ColourPop. And she's also using her finger. She's putting this on her eye as well. She's using her finger, but I'm gonna use a brush. She's also putting it here and on her brow bone. And then she's putting it here as well. Now she's taking a brown eyeliner and putting it on a brush. She puts it like in, starts in the middle of her lash line and kind of like wings it out. She's using a NARS lipstick, but I don't really have one similar to that, so I'm just gonna use Brave from MAC. It kind of looks like it, but hers is a little more reddish, but girl, that's okay.
The blush.
She's powdering again under her eyes. I'm just gonna powder everywhere. Girl loves her under eye powder. She's putting on more blush. I feel like everyone loves blush, but I feel like it just doesn't really suit me that well. I'm just gonna add a little more mascara just so it's black again. And then she's taking her hair out. Hopefully this worked on my hair. She's taking some dry shampoo. She's putting on faux freckles, girl. I'm just gonna take my eyebrow pencil, kind of twist it on. And then I'm just gonna go over that with some powder. I could totally cover a pimple and make it a freckle. That would be so smart. And she also has hoops on, so I'm gonna put hoops on. Okay, my ear is closed. Ow! Got it through. I would definitely like recommend setting your face. Girl, we gonna be doing that. Hold up. And that is her makeup tutorial. That was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please, please, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely tell me down below. Like if you want to see me do like Kylie Jenner's, because she did one with Vogue also. Or if you want to see me recreate someone else who doesn't do it on Vogue, I don't know. Just, you know, leave some suggestions down below. And the hair looks like pretty. It's falling out already because my hair doesn't hold curls, because yeah. Anyway, but yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still at this point, comment down below a sheep emoji. I'm just gonna go do Candice Swanepoel things, like be a Victoria's Secret angel. I'm kidding. Okay, anyway, okay.